Hey guys, how's it going? How to remove someone from WhatsApp group. So first of all, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. Alright, lots of examples that you want to go to that group. Let me scroll up down. Let's say this group, right? If I wanted to remove someone, keep in mind that you need to be an admin of that group in order to delete it. Delete that person, the specific person. So click the title right here. What you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead and lots of example. This is the admin, right? So you can't actually delete him or her. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and basically hold their name, and then basically you're gonna be able to see an option that allows you to, or you could just go ahead and click their number, and then you're gonna be able to basically delete them from that group, and then eventually you're gonna be able to delete them. Keep in mind that you need to be the admin of that group in order to delete them. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.